Welcome to the exciting world of Tether, a stablecoin that has revolutionized the way we transact in cryptocurrencies. Tether, often abbreviated as USDT, was introduced in 2014 and has since become one of the most prominent and controversial players in the crypto space. As a stablecoin, Tether is designed to address the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies by maintaining a stable value. Its primary purpose is to provide users with a digital asset that mirrors the value of a traditional fiat currency, such as the US dollar. Tether achieves this by pegging its value to the corresponding fiat currency on a one-to-one basis, meaning that one Tether token is meant to represent one unit of the underlying fiat currency. In this video, we'll delve deeper into Tether's mechanics, controversies, and its impact on the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Before diving into Tether, let's first explore the concept of stablecoins and why they hold a crucial role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Stablecoins minimize crypto price volatility by maintaining a stable value tied to fiat currencies or assets through three common types: fiat-backed, algorithmic, and collateralized, with fiat-backed stablecoins directly supported by traditional currency reserves, algorithmic stablecoins using smart contracts for stability, and collateralized stablecoins backed by other cryptocurrencies or assets, serving as a bridge between crypto and traditional finance for smooth transactions, secure remittances, and stability in unpredictable markets. They also play a crucial role in decentralized finance, supporting lending, borrowing, and other financial services. In summary, stablecoins ensure stability and usability in the crypto ecosystem, addressing volatility concerns and enabling a wide range of use cases. Now let's explore Tether, a prominent and controversial stablecoin. The roots of Tether can be traced back to J.R. Willett's 2012 white paper, which introduced the groundbreaking concept of creating cryptocurrencies on the Bitcoin blockchain. This concept found its implementation in Mastercoin, laying the foundation for Tether. Tether, initially named Realcoin, entered the scene in 2014. Its integration with Bitfinex, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, played a vital role in its growth. Tether and Bitfinex share intertwined leadership, with Bitfinex officials actively involved in establishing Tether Holdings Limited. However, Tether faced its fair share of challenges along the way. Obstacles arose when processing US dollar transactions through Taiwanese banks and Wells Fargo, resulting in blocked international transfers. Tether and Bitfinex even filed a lawsuit against Wells Fargo, although it was later withdrawn. Despite the controversies, Tether persevered, issuing tokens on various blockchains and constantly expanding the list. Today, there are 5 distinct Tether tokens, providing users with options and flexibility in their transactions. Recent audits have confirmed Tether's one-to-one backing with US dollars and a variety of different other asset classes. Initially, Tether was primarily backed by the US dollar on a one-to-one basis. This meant that for every Tether token issued, there was supposed to be an equivalent amount of US dollars held in reserve. However, over time, Tether's backing has evolved to include a combination of assets beyond just the US dollar. This diversified backing is meant to provide additional stability and liquidity to Tether's ecosystem. It's important to note that the exact composition and allocation of these assets have not always been transparent, leading to some controversies and concerns among regulators and the crypto community. Tether's transparency has been a contentious issue. Periodic audits have been criticized for lacking transparency and independence. To address concerns, Tether has improved transparency by publishing attestations from accounting firms. Tether has faced regulatory challenges and legal battles, including investigations by the New York Attorney General's office and a settlement with the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. These issues raise concerns about Tether's stability and reliability as the largest stablecoin. Critics argue that regulatory efforts may be driven by self-interest to protect fiat currencies and maintain control over the existing financial system. Thanks to its early entry and close association with Bitfinex, Tether has emerged as the leading player in the stablecoin market, gaining trust and widespread availability. Its stable value attracts users seeking reliability. Tether's high trading volumes make it a preferred choice for efficient fund movement. Despite controversies, Tether's market dominance remains unchallenged. However, regulatory scrutiny and emerging alternatives may impact the stablecoin market. Tether's position as the most widely used stablecoin showcases its significant impact on the crypto industry and its integral role in facilitating value exchange. Despite regulatory and legal challenges, Tether remains resilient and expands in the crypto space. It has launched on multiple blockchains, offering stablecoins beyond its US dollar-backed version. Tether now includes stablecoins pegged to fiat currencies like the euro, Mexican peso, and offshore Chinese yuan. Additionally, Tether introduced Tether Gold, backed by physical gold bars. As an early and widely accepted stablecoin, Tether has made a significant impact, providing stability and facilitating transactions in the volatile crypto ecosystem. Despite controversies, Tether's stable value has solidified its position. However, the future of Tether and the stablecoin landscape depends on ongoing legal and regulatory challenges, shaping the evolution of the crypto space as a whole. Thanks for tuning into this video about Tether and stablecoins. I'm thrilled that you joined me, and I hope it helped you grasp their purpose and potential uses. If you're hungry for more Tether knowledge, I've got you covered with an in-depth dive right here. So keep exploring and enjoy your journey into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Catch you in the next one.